So a lot of you watching this video probably have a sewing machine, but you might not have a serger. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how awesome the serger is. We're gonna use only the serger to sew up a tank top, and it is gonna go so quick. It's gonna look so professional. You are going to be amazed at how awesome the serger is, if you don't already know. There are a few different reasons that using the serger goes faster than the regular sewing machine, and you're gonna find that out throughout the video. So let's do it. Let's make this tank top in what, like 10 minutes? For real. Real quick, before we start, if you're enjoying Sewing Anastasia, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to learn how to use a serger, check out my online Serging 101 course. It has everything you need to know to get started using your serger. And we have a really fun project in there, the sweatshirt. Links are down below. Now let's make this tank top. Today, I'm going to be using a tank top pattern that I designed. You guys can download this from the website if you want to sew along with me, or you can use any tank top pattern. Today, I'm going to be using this yellow rib knit for my tank top, and the serger is wonderful for sewing knits. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my paper pattern and my fabric, and then let's get serging. Now I have my front and the back of the tank top cut out, and it is time to serge. The first thing we're going to do is place our tank tops right sides together, and we are going to serge together the side seams and then the shoulders. Today I'm going to be using the 5-thread safety stitch wide. You could also use a 4-thread overlock. And you're gonna notice that it's gonna sew and serge at the same time. And if you've got any extra little fuzzies or bits at the side, it's gonna cut them off. So when you are cutting, if your edges got a little janky, you can just make it really nice and smooth with the serger because it has that blade there. And then what I mean by sewing and serging at the same time, it is sewing our seam together and giving us this beautiful finished edge, all at the same time. Look at how smooth that went through the serger. Now I'm gonna serge my shoulder together. Look at how quick and easy that was. And now I'm gonna serge the side seam and the shoulder on the other side. Let's take a look at the seams we just serged together. Look at how amazing this seam looks. We've got the serge on the edge to keep it clean. That blade cut off the fuzzies. We've got our seam right there, which is the chain stitch because we did the 5-thread safety lock. You could also just use your 4-thread serge so you wouldn't see that green stitch in there. You would just see the serge at the edge. They both work great. And if we did this on a sewing machine, we'd have to finish the edge. We'd have to go back with our lightning bolt or a mini zigzag stitch. It would take so much longer and it would not be as clean. The serger is amazing. So now that we have our shoulders and our sides sewn up, it's time to finish the remaining edges. So I'm going to be using a 3-thread rolled hem to finish all the openings. That's right, there's more than one type of stitch the serger can do. There are over 20 different types of stitches the serger can do. Pretty cool, huh? There's so many different uses for the serger. As you can see, we just created seams with the serger, and now we're going to be hemming with the serger. So let's go roll it up. So in creating the 3-thread rolled hem, I'm going to place my fabric right side face up, and it's gonna wrap all this thread around the edge, creating a beautiful pearl of stitches. And you're gonna notice this a lot on your sportswear, your lingerie, little edges of ruffles and hems on things. It's just a great way to finish the edge. And it's quick and easy. And this is what that 3-thread rolled edge looks like. It finishes off the edge and it gives it a nice pop of color depending on the thread you use. Nothing's gonna fray here. Now we're gonna move on to the armholes and the hem, and then our tank top's done. So easy. This is why the serger is amazing. Now that armhole's finished, and these little extra thread tails you're left with, you can just cut them off. For the hem, I've decided to add a lettuce hem. So you're still using your 3-thread rolled, but you're going to make your differential feed less, you're going to make your stitch length smaller, and you're gonna make your foot pressure higher. You are gonna love this technique, and I know you've already got it in your wardrobe. This hem is just one more cool thing you can do on the serger. And now we are all done with our tank top. Here's our tank top all finished. Look at how awesome it looks, and it literally took less than 10 minutes to create on the serger. Serger is such an awesome sewing machine. Look at how beautiful the neck and the armhole looks with that little 3-thread rolled hem. And then look at the fun lettuce hem. I just love using this technique on knits. And we have that beautiful 5-thread safety stitch on the inside holding the shirt together. So we use 3 different types of stitches to create this tank top, just like that. So if you already have a serger or you want to get one and you want to learn all the little buttons, the knobs, and how to use it and change over all those cool stitches, make sure you check out my online serger course where I go over in detail how to use your serger. So that way you can master it and use it and create beautiful things with it. Everything you need to start serging is in that course. Thank you so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. I hope you had fun making a serger tank top with me. If you have any questions at all, leave it down below in the comments and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And I would love to know what other kind of projects would you like to see on the serger. Leave that down below in the comments as well. And if you're really enjoying Sew Anastasia, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, well, thank you for watching today. These videos are for you guys. Don't forget, I teach classes in person here in Chicago and online. Check out the links down below for those. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio, well, make sure you check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!